Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Walkie Talkers Gram Tree. Today we will be discussing the topic future tense. First, let's see what is future tense. The future tense is used to talk about actions that will happen in the future. For example, I will go to school tomorrow. She will call you later. They will travel to Paris next week. Now let's look at some commonly used future time words. Tomorrow, next week or next month, soon, later, tonight. Now let's see the structure of simple future tense, which is subject plus will plus base verb. For example, I will study tonight. In this sentence, we can see that I is the subject and study is the base verb. He will play football tomorrow. Here, he is the subject and play is the base verb. We will visit our teacher next week. Here, we is the subject and visit is the base verb. Now let's look at some sentences of future tense in negative form. In this, there would be subject plus will not or won't plus base verb. For example, I will not go today. Here I is the subject and go is the base verb. She won't come tomorrow. Here she is the subject and come is the base verb. They won't watch the movie. Here they is the subject and watch is the base verb. Now let's check future tense in question form. Here we will write will plus subject plus base verb. For example, will you come tomorrow? Here, subject is you and the base verb is come. Will she finish the work? Here, she is the subject and finish is the base verb. Will they travel next week? Here, they is the subject and travel is the base verb. Now let's look at some of the key words for future tense. Some of the words are tomorrow, later, next week or next month or next year, soon, tonight. Now let's look at a short story where future tense is used. Tomorrow, Ria will visit her school early. She will meet her teacher and friends. They will practice for the school program. After practice, they will eat lunch together. I hope you understood the topic future tense. Shall we try to do a question now? Here we need to fill in the blank. Tomorrow, they dash to Dubai. Go, went, will go, going. And the right answer is option C, will go. Tomorrow they will go to Dubai. So here we come to the end of this video. Please subscribe for more English lessons. Comment below your favorite sentence using future tense. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.